The room was silent except for the faint ticking of an old wooden clock. Sarah stood by the window, staring out into the dense fog that had blanketed the world beyond. The glass was cold under her fingertips, and her breath left a faint mist on its surface. She wiped it away absent-mindedly, peering harder into the swirling gray. The street, usually bustling with life, was eerily still. No cars, no footsteps, just the occasional muffled sound that could have been the wind, or something else. Sarah shivered, though the room wasn't particularly cold. There was something unnerving about the fog tonight. It felt alive, like it was watching her. She stepped back, but her gaze remained fixed on the window. That's when she saw it. At first, it seemed like a trick of the light, if there had been any light. A faint shimmer, almost imperceptible, etched across the fog outside. Words? She blinked, her heart racing. The shimmer grew clearer. Letters materialized, scrawled in an elegant but hurried hand. Sarah's pulse quickened. She turned to look behind her, but the room was empty. The familiar furniture, the soft glow of the table lamp, everything was as it should be. She faced the window again, her breath catching in her throat. The message was unmistakable now. A warning? A plea? She pressed her hand against the glass as if she could somehow reach through to the mist. The fog seemed to thicken, coiling closer to the window, and for a fleeting moment, she thought she saw a shadow moving within it. A figure? Her phone buzzed on the table, startling her. She turned away from the window and snatched it up. A message from an unknown number lit up the screen. Sarah dropped the phone as a loud knock rattled the door behind her. It was written, "Trust the fog."